So, Axminster Tools have recently bought one of the SX-38 Type A machines. So, it's quite a jump for them to going from some of their other sliding head machines, Matt.
Yeah, this is one of our high-end machines. To be fair, they've got a previous generation of this machine. This is just taking it to another step for them. The Step Cycle Pro, layout of the machine, given the ability to do more complex parts, because at the moment they seem to be developing a lot of new products.
They are.
Getting more complex, and they're bringing a lot more work back in-house as well. So this type of machine really helps them.
And the configuration is different, isn't it, on this machine?
Yeah, so you can see down the bottom there, you've got the turret there, you've got 3 axes on the turret, so you've got obviously the X and Y, and it'll also move in the Z. At the top there, you've got a platen that's got a B axis for doing angular work, as well as the turning tools. And then on the back end here, you've got the sub spindle, and it's got its own set of tools there as well, so you can do all your overlap machining. In fact, this machine, you can have 3 tools in cut.
3 tools in cut. And I mean, that is perfect when a company's trying to reduce those cycle times, isn't
Absolutely, yeah.
So what are the benefits of having a machine like this beyond complexity?
Well, for these guys, and probably a lot of other manufacturers out there, it'll be help get the cycle times down, but also be able to do parts they probably couldn't do before.
Okay. And any of the features that you'd go for? Because this has got Step Cycle Pro on, hasn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's brilliant on this machine. In fact, all of them, to be fair. So for these guys are cutting aluminium, so which for them in the past would have been a problem for swarf, so this will make it chip. We have other companies that use it on materials. Again, it just takes a problem away.
They said they do quite deep cuts on this machine as well. They really push it, and I know they were talking about the base of the machine as well, like how it's built and how robust it is, and that enables them to be able to do exactly that.
Yeah, it's a very beefy machine, yeah, nice sturdy casting.
Beefy machine.
Yeah, the technical term there.
Yeah.
The slant bed as well to help with the swarf control, so all the swarf will drop into the bottom of the machine, so that's a nice design feature as well. And like the guys have said, you know, there's a lot of power in this machine, and it's given them the confidence to take the big cuts.
Any new features?
Well, it's a brand new machine for this style, so what you see here is unique to this machine. So the layout with the turret, the platen, the B-axis up there, there's so many different options you can put on the turret. And we've also got things like later generation high pressure coolant pumps, which they haven't had on the previous machines. So this one's a twin filter. One of the key features on this one is it's got a variable drive motor. So rather than it just going on or off, it's just ramp up to whatever's actually required. So it's better for your power consumption, but also for the oil control in the machine. And also the FMB bar feeder. So the RS we've been doing on the smaller machines.
Yeah.
With this one, been developed for like this size machine. So basically when these guys go between guybrush and non-guybrush mode, they don't have to do anything to the bar feeder. It's all connected to the back of the main spindle. So it's a time-saving device as well.
I assume when you buy a new machine, sustainability and everything, what are the benefits here?
So with all style machines, they're very good on the power consumption. So the lowest you find typically in this class of machine in the industry. So for your cost for running it, it's going to be a lot lower.
Okay, so who needs a machine like this, and where does it sit amongst all of the machines you offer to market?
Right, so this machine sits pretty much near enough at the top of our portfolio. It's a high-tech machine. This is great for manufacturers as well as subcontractors that need to do more complex parts and want to take bigger cuts. And if they've got bigger volumes or smaller volumes here, the machine can handle it.
That's the SX-38 Type A machine from Star.